This is the Vintage Coach Extra Large Sidepack Bag. The official name is Sidepack, and the style number was 9979. There's a smaller Sidepack bag as well, so this is the larger version. I would say it's definitely more rare than the smaller Sidepack. So this specific bag is in the color navy, and it was made in the US in 1995. And as you can see, it's a crossbody bag with an adjustable strap, and it does come with the matching hang tag. It's a two-sided hang tag. And then here's the front. This is what the sides look like. And then here's the back. It does have a pretty large slip pocket in the back. And then I'll show you, it does have a couple other pockets. So when we open the turn lock here on the front, it's got a slip pocket here under the top flap, which is nice. So you have this pocket, and then there's also an inside pocket on the interior. So it's got a zip pocket back here as well. And then the creed is inside as well. Here's a close-up picture of the creed so you can see that the bag is authentic. So yeah, it has a pocket here, an inside zip pocket in the back of the body of the bag, and then it's got a back pocket back here. So lots of pocket options for you there. So that is the 9979 Sidepack bag in this beautiful blue color. It is available in their Etsy shop. It was just listed as a new arrival, so I will link it below just in case anyone wanted to check it out in the Etsy shop. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.